In this video, I'm going to play the first part of the birds PowerPoint. I'm going to start up PowerPoint and load in the default birds PPTX. Find that in the learning resources. You see there's 4 slides, and I'm going to add some backgrounds to the first and the third slide. So I drag in the birds for the first slide. I'm going to stretch them out to cover the whole slide. This distorts them a little, but it's okay for backgrounds. For the third slide, I'm going to add in the reflection bird, and again I'm going to stretch it out. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is change the color theme on these backgrounds. So I right click on the third slide and I pick color, and then I go down to the third option and I look for the blue color that it wants to set the slide to. You have to just kind of browse around in these colors. So there's one that I'm going to pick, and it changes the color to a lighter blue. I'm going to do the same thing on the first slide. So I click that slide, right click on it, format, color, and now I'm going to pick the washed out color. The next thing we're going to do is apply some artistic effects. So I format the slide, click Artistic Effects, and then look for a film grain effect and apply that. On the third slide, I'm going to look for a glow effect that will make the little bird glow a little bit. So again, I right click on the background, pick Format, pick Artistic Effects, and then I look around for a glow effect. And there's the glow. I apply it, and you can see there's a little bit of a glow around the bird. Next thing, I'm going to move these backgrounds to the back. So I right click and click Send to Background. Same thing for the first slide. That way I can see the text boxes and other images that are on the slides. Next, it wants us to play around with changing the size of the title text boxes. You can do that, and you'll notice that the text doesn't really change or reformat like it would in Word. I'm going to drag the title text down to just above the subtitle. Click the subtitle box and then either click Cut or just Delete to get rid of it. You should do that with the extra subtitle boxes on your PowerPoints before you turn them into Blackboard. Next, I'm going to left justify this by highlighting the text and clicking the left justify button. On the third slide, I'm going to right justify it in the same way. I'm going to delete the fourth slide by clicking it and then hitting Delete Slide. And that completes this first video.